Hello friends, this is Abhishek. Today I am going to deliver a speech on agriculture. Agriculture is a backbone of our country. It acts as a major source of income in many countries along with India. More than 50% of India's population is dependent on agriculture. A few decades ago, people used to do farming by using ancient tools. But now after the green revolution and globalization, high technology have come and people use high yielding variety of seeds and which lead to great growth in agriculture. Government has made plans for development of agriculture, and agriculture production is dependent on rainfall. That's why government has constructed dams and canals on several rivers for irrigation purpose, and wells and pump set facilities also provided to some farmers for irrigation. And India is the world largest producer of milk, and India is the also world largest producer of fresh fruits like banana, guava, papaya, etc. And India also produces dry fruits and spices and vegetables. Food grain like wheat and rice is also produced in India in sufficient amount, and food is the basic necessity of human beings. More and more people should focus on agriculture for their source of income, and agriculture is most useful thing. We as a society must respect the farmers and appreciate their work. If they stop working, we do not get enough food to eat. That's why we respect farmers, and farmers doing many things, and some farmer have to face loss in agriculture due to heavy rainfall, less rainfall, and the attack of locust crust. Agriculture have some advantages and some disadvantages. I want to represent disadvantage first. Deforestation is the first disadvantage of agriculture. People cut down trees and forest and change them into agriculture, and it is called deforestation. And second one is that the river water is diverted into farms. This leads to failure because and disturbing the natural habitat. And George Washington is rightly to said that agriculture is most useful, most helpful, and most noble employment for men. And we need food every day. Food that we get to eat daily is the hard work, is the gift of hard work of farmers, and that's why we must respect the farmers. Agriculture is the primary source of income. Agriculture is a primary source of economy. 90% of people engage themselves in agriculture, and agriculture is most important thing in India. Now I conclude my speech. Thank you so much.